was the return? It's coming and going, coming and going.
Gala muna tayo mga idol. Yan, lagyan natin ng sombrero para medyo hindi makita yung kalbo. Yan. Gala muna mga tripulante dito sa Melbourne, Australia.
Pipick up yun before.
Pick up siya.
Uy, yung sasakyan ni Prox yun ah.
Ganda oh.
Ha?
Ayun, ano siya? Land Cruiser, diba?
Parang lang. So you were actually there last night?
Yes.
Was that all family members?
No, it was people from golf club. Some people I didn't know a lot of people. Traffic's pretty good. This was a house, and they put they built a soccer ground because apparently their kid's very good at soccer. So they took the house down. It's a soccer field.
And soccer field now.
Kaya na siya dun.
Yeah, go for it, guys. Anybody else?
Yeah. Yes please. Pauwi na kami. Yan, ito po yung bahay ng residente namin na nag-invite sa mga crew. Grabe ang lupit. May elevator pa yun mga lods.
No, there's a van and the bus. Akala ko stick lang.
Lens. Lens muna bibilin ko. Saka na lang yung ano, stick at saka ano. Ayan mga lods. Ayan na po, dumating na po yung aming sasakyan pabalik ng barko. Yan, the best. Maraming salamat sa aming mahal na residente na nag-invite sa mga crew na bumisita sa kanilang tahanan. God bless. Maraming salamat Mr. and Mrs. Hedrel. Thank you very much. Pasakay na kami at medyo masikip na po ang pagbalik.